So, I'm back. It's been a while. A long time. The reason that being is... So, I got a new phone because my old one didn't have enough storage to keep videos on it. And, the whole iCloud thing was messed up. But, I got a new one, and I'm trying to figure out this little gimbal thingy here. Sorry. But, today, we're going to take Dad's truck. We're going to jumpstart mine. Oh my goodness. And we're going to bring it in, and we're going to tear apart the rear end. See if I can't. So, we're going to hopefully, we're going to take apart the rear end because when we took apart the front end, we got all these lockouts, brand new. We had to put, come on now, brake line, you can see right there. Put a new rotor on the left side, driver's side, grease the joints, all that good stuff. So, we're gonna jump it, and then we're going to tear apart the rear end and see what it needs or is broken. First, we got to get in the truck. Freaking Chevy. There it is. Oh boy. There it goes. That hasn't happened like that in a while. So we're gonna pull it out and jump my truck. Now we grab our somewhat snow-covered jumper cables. Had to put it in four-wheel. And we'll jump the old Dodge. That's cold. So now we're just gonna... First we got to take our broom. Where's it at? Right there. And we're going to clean that floor. Well, I went inside, warmed my hands up, ate a cookie. So, I guess you get to watch me clean the floor. I'm gonna start right here. Well, found a coat, got the floor cleaned up, and now we're gonna go outside and see if she'll start. Let the wait to start light shut off, and we'll try it. Oh, let's see, maybe we gotta give her some. Oh, baby. Poor girl. should probably clear all the snow out of the bed. But for now, we'll take these cables off and move this Chev so we can make way for the Dodge. Let's see. It didn't want to move initially. I think it was like frozen in the ground. Let me check. I don't know, but we got it to move. I'm probably just gonna back it up and bring it this way and then just even it out. The brakes suck though, so I really gotta be careful. We'll see how this goes. If you can't tell, the brake booster's out. You can hear the hissing. She's in. Driver's side mirror was really close though. Probably that much, but that's kind of in there crooked, but oh well, she's in, that's all that matters. So, I'm gonna do a quick rundown of all the new stuff that's been applied besides the mechanical parts. We got, come on now, hood ornament, LED cab lights, LED headlights, and then we got the paint match grill that I did a long time ago. But also, we got some new parts that also needs installed. As you can see, I got my tail lights taken out for a reason. Come over here real quick. So I bought these clear tail lights. I don't know which one it is. It's this one. Just come over here real quick. think it's the other way around. But it should look something like that. So, I'm satisfied. I don't think any modifications are needed. But, then we got some wheel lights or rock lights, whatever they're called, whatever the difference is. But I'm going to probably wait to put those on until I get wheels and tires, because the rusty stocks aren't really that cool to show off in the dry rotted tires. But two more things. We got an oil filter for when we change all the fluids. And this big ol' 360-degree rotate day and night mode, 10.1-inch stereo, radio, CarPlay screen. Lots of wiring included. So, looking forward to that. That ought to be a fun video. But, yeah, I think that's it for fancy, look cool parts as of now. And then, obviously, I have a video on when I put wheels and tires on it. But I got a lot of things in mind. Alright, so the plan today, we're going to jack up the rear end. We're going to take the tires off. Take a jack, move the corner, four turn. We got a board, in case you're wondering, or you didn't know. The parking pin, when you put it in park, it only locks the back tires. So in case of any event of it wanting to roll, or anything like that, with the back tires in the air, we got this board in front of the front tire so it can't move. Hopefully. It's like a 99% success rate. But just in case, we're going to put it there. And there's really no need in putting it in front of two tires because, well, there's barely any rolls that happen anyway. It's never happened to me. I don't think it's ever happened to my dad. But it's in the air enough, we're going to take the tires off. Yeah, I lied. One more thing. I am just going to put the clear taillights on just to see what they look like. But I can't run them just yet because I don't know if it's a countrywide thing, but in Ohio, the tail light, it has to be red. These aren't red bulbs, but the housings on the tail lights are red, so it doesn't matter. But since those are clear, I need to find red bulbs. So I found a set of red LEDs on Amazon, and I don't know when they'll be in though. So, come to the passenger side first. Well, I'm an idiot. I gotta put jack stands under it first. Got jack stands on. Make sure I ain't got nothing else I forgot. That's it. Socket, impact, 1 1/8. Got 8 of them to take off. Probably should have gave it a squirt beforehand. Just making a mess. Try it again. Well, they put like RVT on it or something. Goodness. Poor girl. See, that's better. She just needed some lubrication. Goodness! Well, that rust inside there. See, like, why are we putting RVT on the threads, man? Wasn't me as the past owner. The price said, to hell with the next guy. Socket's got a crack in it, or a little chip. Two more. Hopefully the other side ain't like this. One more. There we go. There we go. There's one of them. Where should we put that? Where should we put it? Under the truck. Look out, look out. Grunt. Drum brakes in the back. I have to take those apart for the first time, and probably have never been taken apart ever in this life. But that's what I'm here for, I guess. So now, take this to the other side. On the driver's side now, take our WD-40. RBT. The other one was just packed full of it. Ain't even funny. Same story. This one might be packed. Nothing on the lug nut. A bunch on the stud. Oh yeah. That one had more than the last one. Tighten this John Henry. Oh my goodness. RBT. It's insane. Don't worry, I'm getting new lug nuts with the new wheels and tires. One more. It's in the worst spot. I should have done that one first. Booyah. Cowabunga. All the above. Set those aside. And this. Flung the rust at me. Fling. Flung. Fling. No? Job done. I'd say job well done, but it probably wasn't. Quit running. You can't. That's what I say. So we'll thread the lug nuts back on, and then we'll give the taillights a test run, test fit. Okay, so we got everything ready. Gonna put it on. See if we can't run into some problems. There's one. There's two. Let's see what it looks like with the lights on. Alright, so light goes through pretty good. But red LEDs will shine, hopefully, even better. We're going to put the driver's side on and just see how it looks with both of them on. Ta-da! I think it looks pretty good. But, again, we're just going to take them back off to get the red bulbs in. But I'm just going to leave them. So there's less chance of critters getting in them and whatnot. But I think that's it for tonight. Thanks for watching, and subscribe, and I'll try to post, I don't know, next time I'm in the garage working on it. So see you next time.